In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust the header height padding in Shopify for both desktop and mobile views. This is a simple way to improve your store's design and make your header look cleaner and more professional. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, click on Customize to open the theme editor. Once the theme editor opens, select the header section from the sidebar. Inside the header settings, look for the section padding options. Here you can adjust the top padding and bottom padding by moving the sliders left or right. Increasing the padding adds more space around your header, while decreasing it makes the header more compact. You can also switch between desktop and mobile view at the top of the editor to make sure the spacing looks good on both devices. Take a moment to preview the changes and adjust the padding until you're happy with the look of your header. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the header height padding in your Shopify store for desktop and mobile views. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.